Welcome friends. Today again we are talking about short keys, but these keys are a little different from my previous video because these keys are mostly used by the computer user during installation or reaching quick access while to save time and energy. So I'll not take time and let's go to computer. So see it. Window plus A is to open Action Center. Action Center is having a lot of choice: night mode, Bluetooth, aeroplane mode, uh, the screen brightness and low color VPN, etc. Location. These are mostly variable which we change off and on, like increase or decrease the brightness of your computer or the connectivity with the projector or mobile or something else. Next is window E. This is the key through which you can open my computer or quick access to reach where you have done your previous activity or to reach some specific folder in quick action. Or the other way is simply open, run, control R and press D full column, so you will simply reach to drive D. Window plus and window minus. These are for increase or decrease in the size of either browser or a picture or anything which is available on your screen. So simply press window and plus 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 or minus minus minus, so you will resize the item in your front. Window 1 2 3 to 9 by opening different app at a time. Most of the time we use different app and we minimize one and go to other one, so forget it and simply press 1 2 with the combination of windows, and that will be open one by one the way you wish. These can save your time. And window plus arrow key, this is window plus tab. This can open your recent activity. You will shortly see that these are the activities which were done with the course of time. If you scroll it, so you can see 27th February onward till this date, these activities I search for. Now we will see either it opens or now these are just taken. So I just opened the browser, which was shortly I opened, and now I open my picture of the thumbnail last I uploaded. Window X for device manager or app features, mobility center, power center. Different options are available: explorer, setting, task manager. These are all available through window X. You can see that I'm opening search now, and you can access each and everywhere you wish. Window plus L, this is for logout. You can see the screen is black. Now again I'm here and I'll press again and you will see that it's dark. I hope you would like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up.